Got a quick mail day today. Got 3 things to bust open, and also got my mail from the last week. Got an early Douce RPM Absolute number to 199. Chevis Jackson School Colors Auto number to 50. SPX Allie Highsmith Rookie Auto number to 199. Craig Buster Davis Premier Penmanship Autograph number to 99. Early Douce Donruss Threads Rookie Letterman number to 120. Early Douce Top Stadium Club Autograph. And early Douce Rookie Threads jersey number to 80. And got a couple things in today. Not sure what they are. Waiting on a couple things from some trades. Early Douce autograph number to 201. Signing there, that's nice right there. Topps Chrome Rookie Redemption autograph of Glenn Dorsey. And early Douce Bowman Sterling Gold Refractor autograph number to 250. If you guys have any former LSU Tigers, please let me know. Thanks guys.